2018 on the 1254. Slightly delayed East Midlands Railway service through to Sheffield from London St Pancras. Now apparently, according to the guard that just announced on that train, the rear 5 carriages weren't in passenger service. 222012, and yeah, these carriages aren't for passenger use. Apparently they're just carrying them to the depot in Derby, which is a strange one. Right, also there is Ratcliffe up on Soar power station, I think it is. Got a picture of that last time. And at least it's not raining this time of year. Right, there's 66169, completely distracted. That was trailing behind on the slow line. Right, passing through another East Midlands Railway service to Nottingham from London St Pancras. 222007. Incoming is the 1313 East Midlands Railway service to Lincoln Central via Nottingham from Leicester. So a time of 175.31 what we saw earlier. Hiya. Well, here comes a passing East Midlands Railway service from Sheffield to London St Pancras. 222019. Well, we do have a diverted cross-country Voyager, but hang on fire for the East Midlands Railway service to Sheffield from London St Pancras. 222006 and 222011. And then here is 220006 to Aberdeen from Plymouth, a 4-car service from Aberdeen to Plymouth. Okay then. That's just going to wait at the red signal for that Maderian to clear the point. Right, there goes the 1325. East Midlands Railway service to London St Pancras. Triple 2002. Incoming is the 1335 East Midlands Railway service to Nottingham from London St Pancras. Triple 2008. Incoming is the 1345 East Midlands Railway service to London St Pancras from Sheffield. 222104. This one's the full purple one. Now there's something, you don't see a 158 anymore really, East Midlands Railway. East Midlands Railway service to Leicester from Lincoln Central. 158846. Normally they just put them on the, in fact I don't even put them on the bloody Norwich routes now. I think they put like 6-car 170s on the Norwich route now. I think they mainly run them on the Matlock route now actually, so that's a rarity to get one down here. Right, we're going to have another diverted cross-country service from Edinburgh to Plymouth. No clue what the numbers are on that. Right, another freight over there. 66028. Right, here's my ride over to Long Eaton. So far, the trains have all been playing my part. No cancellations. Considering this is an overtime man, I'm actually quite shocked. Few delays, but no cancellations. 222-017 has taken me to Long Eaton, and I've got to be in the front 4 carriages due to the short platform at this station. Well, finally, standard is at this end of the train.